welcome back to my channel. It's Sienna Nicole coming to you guys with another video. As you can see, as always, I look a little bit crazy right now, but I just got done working out and I'm about to take a shower, but I'm gonna refresh my twists before I get ready to take them down in a few hours. So what I'm going to do to refresh my twists is just go in with the product that I use. I'm gonna go in with the spray, with the water and conditioner, the cream, the butter, and a little bit of oil. And then when I do this, it's gonna just bring them back to life. As you can see, it looks like I done had these in for 4 months, but I've been working out a lot, so I don't even know, can you guys really see like how crazy they look at the root? But it's okay. But again, to refresh, I'm just gonna go back in with the conditioner, and I just don't, I mean, you don't want to drench them. I know it seemed like I did, but you don't want to drench them. You just want to get them damp, just a little damp. And I'm just gonna squeeze that spray into the twist. Okay, because you just want the product to just be all up through there. So I'm just squeezing it in. And then next, I'm gonna go in with my canoe rose, which is the same butter that I used for the twist. So I'm gonna go in with this. I'm gonna apply some to my hands, about that much to start. I'm gonna rub it in, and then I'm gonna take it and just rub it on the twist. Well, not rub it into the twist, kind of just squeeze it in again. Just make sure every twist has that product on there. I'm gonna do some more on this side. Make sure you get those ends really good. And I would suggest doing this like every 5 days. I mean, if you're gonna keep your twist in for a long time, I definitely suggest doing this every 5 days. Just gonna do a little bit more on the back to make sure. Okay. And then lastly, to seal in all that moisture, I'm gonna take the oil, same oil that I use, apply some, a little bit more, apply a generous amount to my hands, rub it in, and just make sure that every twist has oil on it. Again, squeezing that product in there. Make sure you get your ends really good. Ooh, yeah. Massaging my scalp just feels so good all the time. Okay. So that's just how I refresh my twist. Again, I'm about to take them out in about 4 hours. So I'm about to take a shower, let the steam from the shower just get all up into my hair. Just let that product just seep in there. I'll see you guys in a few. All right, guys, so I am back. My hair is 100% dry. So I'm going to go ahead and take the twist out. I'm probably not about to talk anymore. I'm just about to go ahead and get into it. at this point, this is where I go in and separate the twist. I did not separate the twist that much because my twists were already very small. I just did like a few strands in each section. I'm looking for my handy dandy pick. I'm going to go ahead and pick out my roots so that way I can have some big, nice, fluffy hair. So this is pretty much where we are. What do you guys think? Do you guys love it? It's super cute, it's still like super defined. I had those twists in for what, 7 days. As I stated in the previous video, I do not like to keep my twist in for that long because my hair like makes me break out once it gets too dirty, like most people. So yeah, kept those twists in for 7 days, and then this is the finished result. My hair, it looks super good. It's still super like moisturized. I hope you guys can, I keep hitting the camera. I hope you guys can see the definition that's still there. Because baby, don't pay no attention to my roots. Just look at that definition. Look how big my hair looks. It looks so good. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe if you made it this far, and make sure that you like the video, because obviously that means that you like the results that I just displayed. And I will see you guys in my next video.